Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of web development and digital success. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to thrive in the digital landscape: tips for a successful website development agency partnership. So whether you're a small business owner seeking to revamp your online presence or a web developer looking to strengthen your client relationships, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll uncover the key strategies and insights that will help you forge strong and profitable partnerships with website development agencies. So grab your notepads and get ready to supercharge your web projects. Let's get started. Is to define your own scope and goals. It's a critical step in ensuring effective collaboration with a website development agency. Here's how it can help. So the first thing that it does is that it helps give more clarity to your vision. So when you have a clear understanding of your project's scope and goals, you can communicate that vision effectively to the agency, and this kind of clarity really helps them better understand what you want to achieve and how they can help you get there. Defining your scope and goals allows you to align your expectations with those of the agency. It reduces the chances of misunderstandings or disagreements later in the project because both parties have a shared understanding of what needs to be accomplished. A well-defined scope and set of goals help you establish a realistic budget. You can allocate resources more effectively, avoiding unnecessary expenses or scope creep, essentially when the project goes beyond its original intentions. Having a clear scope and goal enables you to set specific project timelines, and this helps the agency plan their work and deliverables accordingly, ensuring that the project stays on track and is completed within the desired time frame. And when you define your goals and expectations up front, you can establish quality standards that the agency must meet. This ensures that the final product aligns with your standards and meets your business needs. Clearly defined goals provide measurable benchmarks for tracking progress throughout the project. You can monitor the agent's performance and make adjustments as needed to achieve the desired outcomes. When you know what you want to achieve, decision-making becomes way more efficient. You can make informed choices regarding design elements, features, and functionality, reducing delays and potential conflicts. Risk mitigation, so essentially identifying potential risks and challenges in your project scope and goals allows you to proactively address them with the agency. This risk mitigation strategy can save time and resources in the long run. And by taking time to define your scope and goals, it's important to be open to some flexibility. Agile project management methodologies, for example, allow for adjustments based on feedback and changing business needs. Clearly defining goals serve as a foundation, but it shouldn't stifle adaptability. And it allows for a collaborative partnership. So you demonstrate your commitment to a collaborative partnership with the agency when you take time to define your scope and goals. This can foster a positive working relationship and a sense of shared ownership in the project's success. Defining your own scope and goals at the end of the day is a fundamental step in effective collaboration with a web development agency, and it's usually the first one that website development agencies tend to take as well whenever you first start with the project with them. It sets the stage for a successful project by providing clarity, alignment, and structure to achieve your desired outcomes. Next up is choosing the right agency, and this is a really important step, and it's easier to do once you have figured out your own goals. So some steps to making sure that you choose the right one. First one being is to define your own goals, but then once you're done with that, it's time to research and shortlist. So you can start by searching for an agency online, and you want to look at their website. Their website is a clear indicator of the quality of the agency's work, and it also has the most up-to-date information on what their services and their pricing structure as well. What's really important to check out on their website is their portfolio, or essentially their showcase section, where they will showcase examples of work that they've done in the past, and you want to look for work that is closely to what you want. For example, you want to look for past web development projects, design projects, things like that, and just take a read through and see what people's experiences are. It gives you an indication of the agency's experience, the types of businesses that they work with, and the overall user satisfaction level as well. And you can see their work and see how they've either improved a website or achieved a client's goal as well. Portfolios is a really good way to see what kind of quality of work that you'll get if you work for them, and the agency's experience as well. You also want to check their services page and see what kind of expertise that they offer. You want to look for agencies with a track record of successfully maintaining websites in your industry with similar requirements. Experience is a really good indicator of competence, and you want to ensure that they offer the specific services you need. Some agencies like ProfileTree will specialize in services, but they will also offer a wide range of services, including web design and development. They'll also help you with marketing and SEO as well. You want to choose a platform that can provide a comprehensive package or tailor their services to your needs. Another really good way to see to gauge a development agency's customer satisfaction level is reviews. Trustpilot, even Google My Business reviews are a really good way to find this, as they're quite unbiased. You want to just type in the name of the business, and then you want to look for the Google reviews that are sent in, and you can order by most relevant, the newest ones, and just really take the time and see what people are appreciative of, what they rave about, and it gives you a really good indication of what your experiences will be like if you were to partner with this agency. So next up is effective communication, and this is really crucial for successful collaboration with a website development agency, and here are several ways in which it can greatly benefit the collaboration. First one is the clear expectation, and this also is a feature of whenever you define your own scope and goals, but essentially communication helps in setting clear expectations from the beginning. Both you and the agency should understand the project's goals, scope, timeline, and budget. When everyone is on the same page, there are fewer chances of misunderstandings or scope creep. Frequent communication like status meetings or progress reports keep all parties informed of the project's process, and this transparency allows you to address any issues promptly, making necessary adjustments. Effective communication facilitates a feedback loop, so you can provide feedback on the agency's work and they can share their insights and recommendations. This two-way exchange leads to a better decision making and improvements in the process. With challenges or roadblocks arise, open communication is key to problem solving. You can work together with the agency to find creative solutions to keep the project moving forward. Communications ensures that everyone is aligned with the project's objectives, and this alignment helps agencies make design and development decisions that are aligned with your business goals. And if you need to make changes to the project scope, clear communication is definitely essential. Discuss the potential impact on timelines, on budgets, and functionality so that everyone is aware of the consequences of scope changes. Overall, consistent and transparent communication builds trust between you and also the agency. Trust is a crucial factor in a successful collaboration as it fosters a positive working relationship. And your active involvement throughout the effective communication shows the agency that you are committed to the project's success. This can motivate the agency to go the extra mile in delivering a high-quality product. And communication doesn't end with the project completion. It's important to maintain communication for post-launch support, updates, ongoing maintenance of your website. A good market development agency won't just leave you high and dry once the website is launched. They will offer post-launch support for training, maintenance, updates, things like that. In summary, effective communication is the cornerstone of successful collaboration with a website development agency. It ensures that everyone is on the same page, reduces misunderstandings, and allows for agile decision-making throughout the project lifecycle. Building a strong communication framework helps create a positive and productive working relationship. Next one is creating a detailed product brief, and this is a really crucial step in fostering effective collaboration with a development agency. A well-structured project brief serves as a roadmap, essentially providing information and guidance to the agency. It gives clarity of objectives. The brief will clearly define the project's objectives, goals, and desired outcomes. The project brief outlines the scope of work, including features, functionalities, and deliverables. And this again is what helps scope creep because it establishes what is and isn't included in the project. The brief can include a project timeline with key milestones and deadlines. You can specify budget constraints or guidelines in the project brief. This allows the agency to propose solutions that fit within your budget or recommend adjustments as needed. Technical requirements as well are specified here, or any integrations that are necessary for the project. This includes platforms, technologies, and third-party apps and services, and that need to be considered. If there are potential risks associated with the project, outline them in the brief. This allows the agency to plan for risk mitigation strategies and provide any reference materials or existing assets that may be relevant to the projects, like branding guidelines, previous design work, or content samples. By creating a detailed project brief, you are empowering the agency with information that they need to propose a tailored solution and ensure that the work aligns with your objectives and expectations. It serves as a foundation document that minimizes misunderstandings, enhances collaboration, which leads to more successful website development projects. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you find these tips on successful website development agency partnerships valuable. If you're ready to take your web projects to the next level and collaborate with experts, don't hesitate to reach out to our agency. We're here to turn your digital dreams into reality. Contact us today on using our link in the description below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest web development trends, tutorials, and industry insights, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you never miss out on our upcoming content that can help you succeed in the online world. As always, your feedback and questions are highly appreciated. Leave them in the comment section below and we'll be happy to connect with you. Thanks for being part of our community, and until next time, keep innovating and building the web of the future. See you in the next one.